Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia and I am so happy that you are here. In today's practice, we are going to be doing the Kundalini Kriya known as Kirtan Kriya. Bringing palms together, thumbs into sternum. We'll begin our Kundalini Yoga practice with the Adi mantra, Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. I bow to the divine wisdom within. Kundalini Yoga is a devotional practice to yourself, to your body, to your energy, and to your spirit. Take a nice deep breath in. Lengthen through the spine, long exhale out. Inhale to begin. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Keeping your awareness within, keeping the focus on you, bathing in that beautiful mantra as it moves through your subtle energy body. All right, before we get into our Kriya, we want to get the body moving just a little bit. So we're going to do a few postures. Bringing your hands up to your shoulders, thumbs and back, fingertips in front. We're going to inhale, spinal twist to the left, exhale to the right. Closing down your eyes, focus on your third eye. Come through center, deep breath in, squeeze Mula Bandha, engage your glutes, channel that energy up, engage your core, channel, 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 lift, elevate. Bringing your gaze even more deeply into that third eye as you squeeze and lift and empower yourself from the inside. Exhale, slowly relax, release down. Keep your focus within, noticing your energy. And taking a moment to notice into our 8th chakra, known as the aura. So feeling around your body, into the space around your body, getting curious. And how you sense this will often be different for everyone. But this is your space now to explore. And taking your awareness out about a foot to 2 feet. Moving it around your head, maybe around your shoulders and down your arms. And then even going down underneath your body, down into the ground. What does that feel like? Oof. Just felt everything kind of like, ooh, ground down. So wonderful. Beautiful. All right, let's come on onto all fours. And we're gonna tuck our toes right away, come into down dog. And we're gonna move through a fairly vigorous down dog flow, so take breaks if you need them. Inhale, come forward, find cobra. Exhale, push back. If you can, closing down your eyes, focusing on your third eye, following your breath, my friend. Let's do 3 more. Beautiful, meet in down dog. Iron out your breath. And drop all the way to the knees. Swing your arms behind, clasp your hands, drop your forehead. Bowing to yourself, to your energy. Slowly rolling up, making our way into easy pose. Option to bring a pillow if you would like. Kirtan Kriya uses our hands, tapping alternate fingers, or each of the fingers, as we chant sa ta na ma, sa ta na ma, birth, life, death, rebirth, the cycle of life. Okay, and we're gonna do this in the human voice, in the lover's voice, and in the voice of the divine. So that's in our regular voice, in a whisper, and then just in our mind's eye. Okay, this is a great practice to help keep the brain wiring and moving properly, keeping everything wired and coherent. So bringing your hands open onto your knees, closing down your eyes, focusing into your third eye. Deep breath in to begin. Sa ta na ma, 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 Satanama, 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 Satanama. Voice of the lover. Satanama, 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 Dropping the mantra, dropping the mudra, floating into silence and stillness. And bringing your hands together, thumbs into sternum. We'll close our practice with the mantra Sat Nam, truth is my essence. Deep breath in. Satnam. Satnam, beautiful being of light and love. I do hope that this practice has served. I hope that you remember how powerful you are, how worthy you are, and how deserving of love that you are. If it's your first time here, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share with a friend. And if you're looking for more support on your yoga journey, I have offerings I will leave below in the description. I hope you have an amazing day, my friend. Bye.